Hi guys, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Today we want to have a quick unboxing of the WMX600. This is the DStv Wideband LNB. You would use this with the SAT IP equipment. It's quite straightforward. There's the waterproof cover. We have two cables here, and if you can see, one is horizontal and one is vertical. It's very important that the vertical on the LNB goes into the vertical of the SAT IP server, and the same for the horizontal. This is not a smart LNB. I have a smart LNB here so that you guys can have a look and you can see it by comparison. They look very similar, so please just make sure they do not work the same and they are not interchangeable. This is used with SAT IP installations. If you guys need any help with your SAT IP setup, or you need some help designing a system, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll do the best to assist you.